Okay guys, I'm going to take apart this Taurus revolver today. What I want to do is take off the side plate and I'm going to grease it up good. It's a new gun. Everything's kind of sticky. The trigger pull is not real slick on it. Not loaded. It's a little gritty, so I'm going to take it off and lube it all up. Other revolvers will be similar disassembly to this. What you have to do first is knock this roll pin out, that grip handle there, and the grip will come off. And now you can see there's 3 screws, one there, and this one here. And you're going to want to get a set of nice set of gun screwdrivers, tips. I got a Packmar set. You're just going to want to pick out the right size for the screw. And I already did that. You can see when I fitted it there, the gun screwdrivers will have a nice flat ground tip on them, so they fit nice and tight in there, and you won't end up rounding out your screws. So you're going to want to just check, see if it wiggles a little bit. See, this is nice and tight in here. If I take a smaller one, there's a little play in it. See? So just pick out the right tip. That way you won't mess up your screws. Take these screws out. And this screw, the bigger one right there, that also holds the cylinder in. So you can take the cylinder out. See, it comes right out. Okay, now I'm just going to leave the screws kind of in their positions. So I'm going to leave there, that one there. This one was right there. And then the trick to getting the side plate off, they fit really tight, is to take a little hammer or wooden block or something and tap on the frame. See how that popped up? A little bit. And I'm just going to pry it up the rest of the way here. Pry it up a little bit. And there we go. And this side frame, I already took it apart and I greased it up real good. This one has a little nub right here that when you reassemble, you have to get that nub under there, and then you can just kind of tap it down. But that's all there is to it, and that'll come apart, and then you can spray it with some gun treatment. I like this G96. And what I'll do is kind of spray the whole mechanism in there, put the side plate back on. If it's a new gun, you don't need to do any cleaning or anything, unless it's packed up with grease inside it. This one was really dry, so just put your side plate back on. You can snap it on, or if you have to, take a wooden block or something, hammer. Okay, with this Taurus, just make sure you don't lose that little spring pin there. Then you can just slide it back, cylinder back in there. Lock it up. And put your screw back in there. snug it up good. Get your other two screws, put them in. You know, take your time, be sure you don't scratch your gun up. Yep. Helps if you start them by hand a little bit. Okay, them all snugged up, and you should notice a big difference in the action. And this is empty. Should be smoother, which I can tell it's a world of difference. It's very smooth. Okay, there you go, guys. So to take off the side plate, lube that up a little bit inside. I don't feel any need to take any of the parts apart. It's a brand new gun. Just wanted to get a little bit of oil in there. You can, if you don't want to take it apart, you can oil your gun by opening your cylinder and take a pin or a small screwdriver and press. Some guns you can press on this, or you can press the release back, push the release that way, and then you can pull the hammer back and it'll stay back, and then you can put some oil in here best you can to lubricate things up if you don't want to take the side plate off. Okay, there you go, guys.